Hello fellow petrol heads. So today we're going to do a kind of different video, I suppose. We're going to create the world's first, I don't know if it is the first, but I've never seen it before, so I take that assumption. So, the world's first engine-inspired toilet roll holder. So bear with me, it sounds silly, but it's going to be awesome. So hang tight. Alright guys, so step one then. Go get yourself an engine. I'm afraid this engine is too small, so it ain't gonna cover it. You need a much bigger one. So think of the biggest engine you can imagine, and then go buy it, because you need it. And strip it into molecules and take out the whale, like this. A big ass one. So this whale is from a cruise liner that travels around in the Baltic Sea. And it's gigantic, really. I mean, as you can see, the whale is bigger than the crankshaft of this Honda car engine. So it's ridiculous, really, and still amazing as well. So once you get your whale, let's do some cleaning and polishing. So let's start with some degreasing. Alright, so now we've done some light sandpapering and also some degreasing. So we've taken away some of the residue that came with this whale. And we also did some marks on the whale with the sandpaper when we removed all that residue. So now we're going to do some light polishing and get it all shiny again. Alright, so now the whale is cleaned off, polished, and yeah, it looks really nice. Now we just want to fix one more thing. We don't want our underlaying surface to crack, so we're going to fix that by putting on some rubber on the underneath the whale, so we don't crack our floor once we install this beauty. And on the bottom of the whale, I'm just going to use some Plastidip, and it's a great rubber coating for you that doesn't know it. So let's do some masking and Plastidip this thing. Alright, installing time. So, let's put it down safely. And let's hook it up with some toilet paper. See how it goes. Oh my god. It's perfect. Yes, perfect. One more. Oh yeah. Okay. So that's how you create or build a engine-inspired toilet roll holder, I guess. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye.